Emily, what are you doing? You just laying on the floor? What are you doing? You just laying on the floor just because there's just nothing else to do? Hmm? Emily, Mama's confused. I don't understand what you're doing. Just laying on the floor? Are you tired? It's 11:10 in the morning. How can you be tired? Oh, there we go. Is that weird? I'm gonna tell your dad. Your dad said he doesn't like it when you do that. I'm gonna tell him. Grandpa! Mark just flicked me. Mark flicked me.